Let's take a new exercise in SolidWorks. This is a 3D sheet metal part. Now let's create this one. You will see the corner inside bending radius 10, thickness also seems 10 millimeter. Now this top face width 200 millimeter and height from top to bottom here see 300 millimeter. Okay, now width is 360 millimeter. Okay, we will do this. Then we will do this part in half because this is a symmetric part. Other side also the same, so we will make half then mirror. Okay, then okay, let's do this. Top plane sketch, activate here corner rectangle. Okay, now let me select origin point and this line midpoint. Smart dimension 360 and make this one half of 200 100. Go to sheet metal, apply base flange and apply here, see sheet metal thickness and radius is not shown here, so we will see later. K factor everything keep default. Okay, now let me select this part and give some color so it looks more visible for us. Okay, edge flange. Now select this edge, go bottom. Now here choose default radius equivalent to thickness, depth 300 millimeter and see here keep measurement we will keep from this corner point, come down angle 90 degree and keep flange position. We should keep bend inside. Okay, even you can keep this also bend from virtual sharp. This situation both work. Okay, see. Now let's add this one. See this bend outside. From here 40 millimeter from this edge. Okay, not from top edge. Total depth from inside to inside 80 millimeter. Height 20 millimeter, then 40 millimeter from here, and we have two holes 15 dia 100 millimeter and gap from here 35 millimeter and this corner fillet 20 millimeter. Okay, edge flange, select this and drag. Okay, make it radius first 10. Now keep bend outside, choose this one. Okay, fine. Let's edit profile. This is the important dimension. Smart dimension, distance from here to here 40 millimeter. Similarly do other side 40 millimeter, but this width only 80 millimeter. See here. So in this situation, okay, this is going to be count from here. Back, isometric view, but bending keep outside. Look. Okay. Now let me apply here two holes. Okay, let's connect from this end to this end. Let's apply two hole here. Now let me choose both hole equal. Smart dimension, (35), hole diameter 20. It's 30 millimeter radius, 100 millimeter. Now this is located at center, so make this one 50 millimeter. Okay. Okay, radius 15, 20. Okay, after that we are going to cut this one 150, 180. Go to sheet metal, apply extruded cut, and here select through all, or if you keep blind link to thickness, it will cut. See, break corner, fillet, make it 20, select this face and automatically detect two corner and apply. Say okay. Look, now let me do one thing. Front plane, sketch, activate line, and let me draw a line from here to here. A smart dimension 150. Similarly do from this end 360 divided by 2. Okay, now I am going to use split command. Okay, go to insert feature, split. Now see, the sketch is selected, cut part. Now see, if I move my cursor, it will show two parts. Select this bottom part. See here, selected. Here select consume cut bodies. See this selected body going to consume, going to cut. Say okay. Look, it is deleted. Now select this line, hide. Okay, now we need to make this cutout. See these dimensions before cutout, 150 millimeter from bottom to top. Now center distance 120, means for half body it's 60, radius 50, and 4 millimeter this cutout. We will see how. This radius 20. Okay, and there is one bend 70 millimeter from top. See this one. See, we will see how we can do this. Let me choose unfold. Now select this face, collect all bend. Okay, select this face, sketch line, go back to the line and see the line is converted into arc. Connect here. Now select these two upper equal. Now let's do one thing, make it this center point, origin point, vertical relation, smart dimension 50 millimeter. Now distance from here to here 60 millimeter. Okay, again smart dimension, distance from here to here 150 millimeter. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Offset, select 4 millimeter, select this one, reverse, keep inside, and here apply cap and line. You will see this is going to close at top face. Okay, circle, let's apply one circle at center and keep diameter 40. Now I want to cut this. Go to feature, extruded cut. Here apply link to thickness. Okay, so that it will cut only up to the thickness of material. Now what we will do, go to sheet metal, fold. Now fix face already selected. Here collect all bends. Say okay. See, the things bend. Select this face, sketch, activate line, dimensions, distance from top edge is 70. Okay, let me select from this end 80 millimeter by default. Okay, now go to sheet metal, apply sketch bend. Now select this edge. Oh sorry, here you have to select fixed surface. Clear. Select the above portion of this line is fixed, and you will see this is going to bend upper portion angle 90 degree. Keep, I am going to keep bend center line. Use default radius, uncheck 10 millimeter. Okay, now here we done almost. Now let me do one thing, go to feature, mirror, face. I'm going to select this face, body, select this, and you will see the preview. Make it merge, and here we go. Go to sheet metal, apply flatten, and this is the our DXF file or developed view. Now simply you can save this one, save and export to DXF file. Any name you can give, sheet metal, hidden line, boundary, bounding box, anything you sketch. Okay, now it will see this is the drawing going to save it. Simply uncheck. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.